Hey, this computer's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna like it. Let's get some Google on here.
What makes it cool?
Um, well, I'm already familiar with the OS on it already. It's compact. It's not really bulky. The onboard mouse responds quick. I like the way the buttons feel also.
In comparison to what?
Hmm?
In comparison to what? The EVOO you were using or the Apple tablet you were using?
I mean, from like the other computer I was using, like at Gateway, it was all right for the time, but it's nothing like this. I really like this a lot, and I'm gonna really be able to get a lot of work done with this unit. So I'm gonna get real familiar with some of the features it came with, and we're gonna take it from there. I mean, the browser opened up rather quickly. Oh yeah, I like it. Thumbs up on the Supersonic. Alrighty then. Oh, how I like getting stuff in the mail. What is it? All right. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Okay. So, tablet. Yeah. Supersonic. That used to be a song back in the day. But anyway, so it's got Windows 10 on it apparently. Let's get into this box and see what we got here. Oh man. I'm impressed. So it's got 32 gigs of memory. Let's get this out of this plastic. There we go. So that's the front of it. Then the next thing, nice back camera. So we got headphone, micro USB, HDMI. It actually has a USB port on it. That's awesome. And I'm almost certain this is like for expansion. Oh man, no, this thing actually takes a card in here. Yep, expansion. So, what else this thing has? You got your micro USB to USB. You got your power cable. Last not least, this puppy comes with a keyboard. Yes. So I guess I can see where it'll snap in. So it's magnetic. And voila, you got yourself a laptop. Now you know the cool thing about this? I got this from my job. So by me being a safe driver, and we have these courses that we have to take, these training courses every month, and we get points for doing such. So by you being safe, not getting in accidents, doing your what we call training modules, and most trucking companies are doing that now, having you do training modules every month. So by you doing these training modules every month, you get rewarded with gifts. So this is just some of the things. I've gotten televisions, all kind of stuff off of this website. But I saw this little cool computer sitting there. I was like, I'll go ahead and I'll get my hands on it and get one. So I'm gonna get familiarized with it, and this is my new little portable. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing. All right, so I think it's only fair that I power this thing up and see what's going on. So I'm gonna open it up. Voila. So it'll power up. We'll give it time. There's some of the features. Like I said, it has front and rear facing camera. Because like I said, it is a tablet. All right, so running through the setup process. Nice, don't feel cheesy at all. The unit is pretty heavy also. All right, so I accept. So we're still in the setup process. Let's skip for now.
Okay, so this is no Apple.
This is not Apple.
But it's like a fake knockoff Apple.
Well, maybe it has the color of an apple, but it's definitely not Apple.
Just from looking at the box, it says it has Windows 10 Pro.
Yes, it does.
Office 365, so you could type papers or something if you wanted to.
That's right.
So since we got this from a website, didn't have to pay for it because it was on the job gift. We're not exactly sure the price of it, but we can link a similar tablet in the description box below. So he's setting up the password now, so I'm not going to put it on the screen.
Oh yeah.
You have to do security questions and everything. That's probably going to take a while.
This computer put me in the mind of I don't know, a knockoff Surface Pro, in a sense.
But you can't write on it, and is it touchscreen?
Yes, it's touchscreen. So you have the keyboard and you can type on it. You also can use the screen. Power buttons at the top, volume. It's got microphone, um, slots for memory expansion. So yeah, and a USB port. It has it has two USB ports on it. It has one on the side here, and then one on the side of the keyboard. That's awesome. That's gonna be very helpful. So we'll just sit here and wait patiently for this thing to finish booting up. Okay, so as I'm looking, yeah, it's just like I expected it to be. Everything you expect, and it's even got 3D viewer. That's gonna be like really handy when I wanna do G code on the go. Yeah, that's gonna be real useful.
So what is 3D viewer?
It allows you to look at images in 3D. Like it's real good for CAD. All right, that's my little folder down there. All right, and I want to go to this PC. And there's the Microsoft Edge shortcut in there. Huh.
Which we don't really use Edge, don't we? Use more Google Chrome here.
Yes, that's what I'll be getting online to actually get Chrome. So I'm looking at the memory here that's remaining, and it's 13.6 gigs free. And it's a total of 27.8. That's not gonna work for me. I'll tell you right now, we're finna make some adjustments like right now. All right, so I think I got a 507. Let me find that. Hold that thought. So we're gonna put the ante. So I had this 512 gigabyte call down wrong. So we're gonna power this joker down. We're gonna install it. So we'll power it down. Just maybe it can do it at a time. Shut down. All right. Now where is that spot? There you go. Pop this little cover up here. Take your card and shove it inside. No. All right. So let's see if it recognizes. Let's turn it on. Supersonic. And we'll wait. And we'll wait. And then the elevator music starts. All right. So we'll put my access password in here. All right, we're good to go. All right. All right, so I'll wait on that icon to pop up.
Do you know anything about the gigabytes or anything on here? I mean, why is it going so slow?
You mean the RAM?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm almost sure you're talking about RAM, but it has a quad core 4 processor on it, So
But it seems like my computer goes way faster than this.
cause your computer has a faster processor.
Okay, this thing here is pretty
Not bad for a tablet.
slow to boot up.
All right. Anyway. All right. So it recognized this storage device. I got 499 gigs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to format this. See if I can format this thing. A little bit hard. Okay. Try it one more time. If not, it's fine. But anyway, I got plenty of storage space now, so when I download stuff, it'll go on that device instead of on the computer.
So this machine's not going to be used for the 3D printer. It's going to be used mainly for video editing.
Yes, I'm gonna use this for video editing
Only.
only. Yes,
And then there's another computer for the 3D printer.
that's correct.